The highly anticipated Osmo Pocket 4. What sets this upcoming release apart isn't just a standard spec bump, it's the rumored integration of Hasselblad camera tech. Yes, the same legendary name behind DJI's flagship drones may soon bring its color science and optical precision to a compact handheld device. The rumored Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature major upgrades, including a potential collaboration with legendary camera brand Hasselblad. That's a huge step forward. Until now, Hasselblad's imaging tech was mostly reserved for DJI's high-end drone lineup like the Mavic 4 Pro. Bringing it to a handheld device would signal a serious push toward pro-level image quality in your pocket. Hasselblad is known for its exceptional color science, clarity, and detail, features that could make the Osmo Pocket 4 a standout in the compact camera market. Even more intriguing? Rumors suggest DJI might soon increase its ownership of Hasselblad to 75%. If true, we could see deeper integration across DJI's product line, from drones to handheld cameras. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade. It could mark a whole new chapter in portable filmmaking. If early leaks are to be believed, the Pocket 4 won't just be a minor refresh. Instead, it could deliver meaningful changes across design, performance, image quality, and usability. Here's everything we know so far about what might be DJI's most powerful Pocket yet: a new design with a bigger screen. One of the standout rumors centers around the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger screen, improved 1-inch sensor, 4K 240 FPS recording, better autofocus, and AI-enhanced features. It aims to deliver professional-grade performance for vloggers, travelers, and creators seeking cutting-edge video quality in a compact design. One of the most noticeable changes expected for the DJI Pocket 4 is its size and design. Reports indicate that it will have a slightly larger frame and weighing 190 grams. This increase in size could be to accommodate a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, which would be a step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is rumored to offer a 480x800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness. This means better visibility in bright outdoor conditions, making it easier for users to frame shots and navigate menus. Improved button placement and a more ergonomic grip texture are also anticipated, which should make it more comfortable to hold and operate for extended shooting sessions. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper image quality and better low-light performance. The ISO range could span from 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, enabling enhanced performance in challenging lighting conditions. Color fidelity is set to improve with 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, offering greater flexibility for color grading and post-production. Autofocus upgrades may include phase detection and eye tracking, reducing focus hunting issues from the Pocket 3. A new processor is rumored to handle larger data rates, enhanced computational photography, and real-time HDR previews, streamlining content creation for vloggers and creators who prioritize speed and quality. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to introduce a host of smart features aimed at enhancing content creation. A key upgrade is the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0, which could combine phase detection and eye tracking for more accurate subject tracking. This would ensure smoother, more reliable focus on fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for vloggers and action shooters. The gimbal stabilization system is also rumored to receive a significant boost. By blending mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, the Pocket 4 could deliver ultra-smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios like action sports or fast pans. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver game-changing performance, highlighted by 4K video at 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Its 1-inch sensor promises sharper details, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. These improvements position the Pocket 4 as a must-have tool for creators seeking cinematic quality, precision focus, and faster workflows. Battery life and charging battery life is a crucial aspect of handheld cameras, and the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to offer significant improvements. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's 3-year release cycle. Priced at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, it marks a price increase from the Pocket 3. However, Its enhanced features like a larger screen, better stabilization, and improved image processing position it as a premium tool for serious creators.
DJI's upcoming Mini 5 Pro just made headlines again. Whoa! Thanks to a major leak shared by Jasper Ellens on X, the hype is through the roof. In his post, Jasper teased exciting DJI products like the Neo 2 and Osmo Nano. But holy wow, what really stole the spotlight was the discovery of a DJI Mini 5 Pro price list. According to Jasper, drone retailers worldwide are already updating their websites with Mini 5 Pro listings. Wait, what? These weren't supposed to be public yet. But heck yes, they slipped through, giving us an early sneak peek. Let's go! The leaked price list is here, and it's loaded with surprises. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery is set at just $69, while the brand new Battery Plus comes in at $99. Oh yeah! Finally, longer flights are within reach. The two-way charging hub lands at $49, which is awesome for anyone looking to keep multiple batteries juiced up. As for the propellers, they'll cost only $19, and if you want extra protection, the quick-release propeller guard with propellers included is priced at $69. For creators chasing that cinematic look, the ND filter set ND8 32nd 128th will be available for $55. Woohoo! Smooth shots incoming! And of course, DJI is backing it all up with Care refresh plans, with the 1-year option priced at $80 and the 2-year plan at $129. This juicy leak suggests DJI is gearing up for a September launch. Yikes. Rumor has it, spotted on a YouTube story, that launch day could be Tuesday, September 16th, but nothing's confirmed yet. Seriously? We've got to wait a week or two for the real deal. Still, one thing's clear, yay. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of a drone, and the buzz is just getting started. Whew! Can't wait. Let's talk about other specs and features. It's the first time we've seen the Mini 5 Pro in the wild, fully dressed and ready to fly. Sure, the earlier packaging leaks gave us some hints, but now we're looking at the real thing in all its palm-sized glory. And right there, proudly plastered on its tiny frame, the C0 sticker, confirming it's still under the magical 249-gram limit. Translation: in the US, you can fly without FAA registration. For casual pilots, that's like getting a permanent skip the DMV line pass. This is where things start to get spicy. That front-mounted LiDAR sensor, it's not just a don't-hit-the-tree babysitter. LiDAR works in low light, fog, or those heart-stopping moments when you're flying over a completely featureless landscape. And alongside it, DJI has thrown in LAR, likely LiDAR-assisted ranging, which means smarter navigation, sharper obstacle detection, and fewer "oops, I clipped a branch" confessions. In other words, the Mini 5 Pro just leveled up its survival instincts. Remember the one-time use propeller screws from the Mini 4 Pro? Yeah, they're gone. Instead, DJI has blessed us with a tap-and-twist propeller system. Changing props is now as easy as swapping batteries in your TV remote, minus the part where you're shaking it like a maraca trying to get it to work. And then there's the mysterious new button on top. The leading theory? It's a quick power-on button that works without the controller connected. That means you can be airborne in seconds when you spot that fleeting perfect shot. Camera upgrades that'll make you drool. Let's talk about the real star, the 1-inch sensor. This thing is a low-light beast and a detail-capturing monster. We're talking 4K at 120 FPS for slow motion that looks like it belongs in a blockbuster. Night shots? Crisp. City lights? Gorgeous. True vertical shooting keeps your footage sharp for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No awkward cropping. And with a gimbal capable of rotating up to 225 degrees, you're suddenly pulling off angles you didn't think possible on a drone this size. And yes, the bigger camera housing isn't just for show. It's DJI's way of saying, haha, we dare you to take a bad shot with this. Fold it up and it's still palm-sized. That's not just a packing convenience. It's the difference between, I'll leave it, and sure, I'll bring it along. Whether you're hiking, road tripping, or just heading to the park, this thing practically begs to be tossed in your bag. Battery and flight time. DJI says 36 minutes of airtime, already a bump over the Mini 4 Pro, and if history repeats, there will be a plus battery option for even longer flights. That's fewer low-battery panic landings and more time capturing what you want. Tracking that keeps up with life. Full omnidirectional obstacle sensing means this drone can tail runners, bikers, skateboarders, probably even your dog, without losing focus.